Hi, welcome to Premier One Marketing Website Solutions. And my name is Pat King. I'm actually your CEO of Premier One Marketing. And we're going to talk to you a little bit today about the services that we offer and what makes us different than just a general website company. Now, a website is for marketing. It's for and about marketing, simply just because your purpose of having a website is to get potential customers and repeat customers back to your site to market your product or service. So your website should be designed around that specifically. Now, keep in mind that Premier One Marketing is more than just a website design company. We're not a bunch of techies sitting behind a computer. We just happen to know how to develop websites. We are a professional marketing team with over 20 years experience in marketing and market research. We do a lot of market research. We want to know what your competitors are like. We want to know the need in the marketplace, and we provide direct response results. We find out what consumers want. There's a lot of things you should get from a website, and you should know about your customers that are coming to the website. And your website should always be designed around that. So a lot goes into us building a website for you, and it's methodical in the sense that we are business owners and executives of multi-million-dollar companies, and we just happen to understand business and not just web design. So we take a business approach to building your website. And again, we're not just coders and programmers sitting back and building you a nice website. It is important to have a nice website, but it should do so much more for you than just have a nice layout and some nice pages. So it should get direct response results from that, and we're going to explain that to you too. Now, business to us is all about building relationships. We're committed to a long-term relationship with all of our customers. We don't disappear after we get your website online. I've heard so many horror stories of website companies getting somebody's website up for them, and then all of a sudden they don't hear from them anymore. They get a nice website and they don't have any idea what to do with it, how to make changes or anything. They're not exactly sure what they're supposed to be doing with their website after they get it. And in a lot of cases, web companies, they charge you additional money if they need to make any changes and want to do anything to your website. And they charge you anywhere from $50 to $100, to make a change on your website, which is crazy. So, but what you have to understand with us is that you're going to have a representative that's assigned to your business. You're going to have face-to-face interaction. You're going to have a representative. He or she is going to meet with you on a regular basis during the process of the sale, the production of your site, or any other, strategies that we're putting together for you. And, with that, we're not just another web-based web company. We're not running our business from behind a computer. Unfortunately, a lot of web companies are into that business just because that's what they do. They manage their business from behind their computers because they are a web-based company. And not that there's anything wrong with that. We just find that there's a better way to have a relationship with customers and to service our customers. So we're going to be there for you now during this process of your website, and after your website is done, and whatever other services you get from us, and we're going to be there for you years to come. Now you have to understand that just having a website is not, it's not just what you need. I mean, a website is not going to get you customers. Just having a website online will not make you money. It will not get you more customers. We're going to fully optimize your website so that you get traffic. We're going to help you get traffic to your website, and we're going to help you increase customer interest and get you leads and new readers. And out of that, you're going to gain some new customers, and which in turn, and our goal with every business is to have their website increase their bottom line. It's a business tool, and a website should be a business tool that helps make you money. And that's the purpose of a website, is to get you more business. And we take the business approach to building your website. We're also going to provide you with some tools you need to succeed. The internet can be very confusing, especially when you're trying to figure out, how to market your business online and how your business is going to benefit from it. Again, like I said before, trying to figure out what you're supposed to do with your website after you have it. And we're going to help you maximize your online efforts by giving you different tools and scenarios to use and things to do. You're going to utilize other tools to help build your online presence. And you're going to create a following of readers and eventually turn those readers into customers. We like to supply a lot of data and a lot of research, and we try to back our research whenever we can. Piper Jaffray said that 30% of all search engine queries contain a city, state, or zip code And then 2.6 billion searches each month are local searches. So every month on the internet, there's 2.6 billion searches, and most of them, or no, all of those 2.6 billion searches are local searches. The internet has now surpassed, print and yellow pages and newspaper as primary source for local customers, and most people go online. Now, again, you're going to hear us say this a lot, but remember, it's all about marketing and research, and that's what we do. We do marketing. We're a marketing company. We're marketing professionals. We have a team of professional researchers. They're going to help us, design and develop your website and your internet marketing strategies. So here's a little thing on, traditional media has gone down quite a bit, and you can see the increase in digital online media has gone up as the other one has gone down. Makes perfect sense. So, and then here's the yellow pages versus local internet searches. Again, local internet searches has gone way up, and the use of yellow pages and similar things has gone drastically down. No big surprise, really. 73% of online activity today is one way or another related to local content. So 73% of everything going on the internet every day is related to local content. And how does that benefit you, or what does that have to do with you? Well, you're a local business. So 73% of the activity is related to local businesses more likely. And Google said that, so Google does a lot of research and stuff, so we're going to believe Google. New research shows that the Kelsey Group and Constant indicates that 70% of U.S. households now use the internet when shopping locally for products or services, which means if you don't have an internet presence, if you don't have a website or some business listings online with your business information, you will not benefit from that 70% of households that are using the internet. And that's our goal. Our goal is to get you online, build you an online presence, so that you can start benefiting from the 70% of people that are using the net to find a product or service that you offer. And I'm sure you've seen this before. This is a Google map, and on the side of the Google map, when you do a search for product or service, you're going to see all these business listings here. So there's a way to get your business listing on here and guarantee that it stays up there, and that you're going to get results from it. So nowadays when you do a search on Google, this pops up pretty much every time, and you don't necessarily have to have a high-ranking website, which is great. We can help you do that too, but this is a much easier approach to getting your business high in the search engines. And we're going to guarantee you're going to get one of those 7 spots on there when it's in whatever business category you're in, and we're going to put you on the map, literally. Now, remember, research and marketing, that's what we do. And this is just a little Google keyword tool here, one of the tools that we use that shows, some of the research we do. We search for keywords and stuff that people are using on the internet. So therefore, if we know what people are using to search for, and we know what keywords and phrases that they're searching with, it'll help us better, build your site and create an internet marketing campaign for you. So what is it exactly that Premier One Marketing does? Well, like I just talked to you about the Google business listings, we'll get you a Google business listing, and we're going to get that verified for you. And once you have a verified listing, we can upload all kinds of pictures and videos and all kinds of cool stuff for your business on that listing. So it's kind of like a website, because it's going to have lots of information for you. And we're going to get those pictures and all that stuff up for you. We're going to do all the work for you. And when you buy the Google business package, we also throw in the Bing and Yahoo business listing as well. Even though Bing and Yahoo isn't as popular as Google, a lot of people are still using it. In addition, we're going to do the citations for you, which is basically business directory submissions. There's all kinds of business directories online, and we're going to make sure that your business gets submitted to all those directories so that you can be found more often, and so that your website gets better search engine results and it gets higher page rankings. We also do video creation. We optimize those videos, and they're used for your website, and we also do keyword and phrase optimization for search engines, so that your videos can be found online and redirected traffic to your website, which in turn is going to get you more traffic and get you more customers. Now, Google, or not Google, but video in general comes up higher in search engine. Most people don't know that, but so we're going to maximize that and help you get some more traffic and stuff through video. And we also create one of our more popular services is creating custom Facebook pages, and we're going to get you a couple hundred fans to help jumpstart your marketing. Now, a custom Facebook page is going to get you way more people that are going to like your page and become fans. In fact, our research has shown that with a custom Facebook page, it increases the amount of people that actually click the like button and become a fan of your page by over 50% in most cases. And then the last thing we offer, obviously, is our standard website and blog integration. We build your website for you, and we're even going to build you a blog with no extra charge and integrate that into your website. Now, blogs are very powerful because the more you update them, the more it updates into search engines and a higher ranking it gets you. Plus, the more information you feed your customers, the more likely they are to come back to your website. And the more frequently they come back and read your website, the more chances and the more likely it is that they're going to become a customer of yours eventually. So, and that's just to get you started. You know, that's the nuts and bolts of our business. Those are our nuts and bolts packages, basically the main things that we offer. And just, implementing those things is going to significantly increase your traffic. And I guarantee you it's going to significantly increase your business. Now, I know I talked a lot about we're not just a web company. We don't just develop websites. But I don't want you to ever think that, the quality of the website is not important, because it absolutely is. Now, here's a few websites that we've done. As you can see, very professionally designed, nice layouts. This is a social media site that we built. It's actually like Facebook. It has all the functions that Facebook has. And we do a consistent internet marketing programs for a lot of these businesses like CrossFit. And Slimming.com, we did some video promotions and some video work for them. Very popular website. They sell all kinds of diet products and things of that nature. And it's also an e-commerce site. So we got a fan in them, and they're very happy with our services as well. And it's another example of an e-commerce site here. You can buy actually equipment online here through this e-commerce site and purchase it there. If you need to sell things online, we can build you an e-commerce site as well. And here's a sports fan blog that we built for a Bears fan. So we do all kinds of different things. And of course, here's our website, and we did that, and we happen to think that it's a pretty nice website. So that's a handful of sites that we did, and so as you can see, they're very nice, and quality is very important to us as well. Now, this is a custom Facebook page that we did. Now, this page is actually an opt-in page, and this page is actually designed to capture people's information. Now, at this location, it's very hard to get scheduled for a workout. They're very busy. They're very popular. They basically dominate their market on the search engines with help from us. And their business is they're so busy that it's super hard to get in with them. So, this is a very valuable tool here for them, because it captures people's name and email address and telephone number so that they can follow up with them. After they click the like button, they can opt in here and they become a fan of the page. And then not only are they becoming a fan of the page, but they're also opting in with their information so that the owners have the leads to follow up with people and get them scheduled for some free sessions or products or whatever it is that they're looking for. And we can do anything we want with a custom Facebook page. We can put, if you're a restaurant, we can put a free coupon on there, a free coupon for an appetizer, 50% off, anything like that. You're gonna give something away for free to the reader so that they opt in, so that they, number one, like your page, and number two, opt in and give you their information so that you can follow up with them because they were interested in your product. Okay, that's an example of that. And again, remember, we keep saying it, but marketing and research, that's what we do. We're professional marketers and researchers, and we're going to use all those tools to help you build a website that is beneficial to your business. It doesn't just look nice, but it actually works with increasing your business. So here's a quick review of what makes us different. Well, number one, you're hiring marketing and research experts, like we said, and we're not just programmers sitting behind a website or behind a computer. So we do more than just build websites. We do a lot more. And we provide you lots of tools and services that are going to help you dominate your local market in the search engines. And we are not just another web-based web company, because you're dealing with real people face to face. You're going to get a rep dedicated to your business who's going to come by, sit down with you, help you design your site, help you figure out what you want in your website, and they're going to help you during the process and stay in touch with you. The developer's going to stay in touch with you, and at the end, when your website's done, your representative is going to come back out and sit down with you, and they're going to go over your website in person with you to make sure that you're satisfied 100% with it. And if you want to make any last minute changes, we go ahead and do that for you with no extra charge. So we're in the people business. We want to make you happy. We want to sit down with you face to face. We want to meet with you before, during, and after. And we want to build a relationship that lasts with you. And after your site's done, that's not the end of our business with you. We're going to consistently follow up with you. Your representative is going to come by and see you from time to time, and just to make sure that you're happy with your service and that you're continuing to get traffic and new customers. And like I said, you're going to continue to build that long-term relationship with you. And there's just not a lot of companies out there that do what we do. Most web companies are just that. They're web companies, they're web-based, and you don't get the customer service interaction, and you don't deal with real people. We're here to build a relationship with you that's going to help you, that's going to help your business prosper, and hopefully will last for the duration of your business, which will be a long time. So if you got any questions, feel free to ask. You can contact us on the website. You can give us a call or submit an inquiry online, and we hope that we can service you and we can build you a nice website and put together a nice internet marketing strategy for you. And we'll hope to talk to you soon. Thank you. Take care.